Hi everyone, today in my kitchen I'm making so simple and so irresistible peanut butter cookies. Peanut butter cookies are soft, thick and tons of peanutty flavor, no chilling required and perfectly sweet. If you like the recipes I'm sharing, you can support me by pressing the subscribe and like button. Let's start. Here I have taken half cup of room temperature butter, that is 93 gram of butter. And you need 1 cup of peanut butter which weighs 225 grams. Whisk it so that both the butters combine well. Then add 1/4 cup of brown sugar which weighs 49 gram and 1/4 cup of white sugar which weighs same 49 gram. Whisk it for a minute, and peanut butter I'm using has a sugar, so I'm adding 1/4 cup of sugar each, but if you want to increase it, you can increase according to your sweet tooth. But this sweetness is perfect for us. And now add 1 egg, room temperature. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Whisk it till it's slightly fluffy. Here I have taken 1½ cup of Maida which weighs 180 gram, and I'm adding 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And you can use the whisk to mix, or instead you can just sift it. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gently mix it. This is the texture and the consistency you get. If you like the recipes, please do consider to like, share and subscribe. To get a perfect shape and size, here I am using a tablespoon and 1/2 tablespoon of measuring spoon. You can take 1½ tablespoon of cookie dough or 2 tablespoons of cookie dough. Make a ball and press it. You can use the fork to give a beautiful imprints on the cookies. Or instead you can take 2 bamboo skewers, break it into a 4-piece. Then follow the step what I am showing in this video. This will give a depth to the cookie after baking, so whichever step is easy for you, you can follow. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes, then bake the cookies in 175 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 to 12 minutes, take out the cookie from the oven. You can see the imprints on the cookie. It looks so good and smells so divine. Try this cookie, definitely you will love it, and it's very easy to make. Let the cookies cool down in the baking tray. This will give the firm base for the cookies. Those who are watching till the end, thank you so much for your support and have a great day. Like I always say, bake it according to your oven and heating.